I've still been chasing this problem where it's running rich. It's putting in way too much fuel, especially on tick over. Now, again, I'm coming back to the air idle valve. I'm not going to put that one back on. I'm going to put one of them two back on. I'm amassing a bit of a collection, but because it was running rich for so long, everything was just coked beyond belief. I've had all the spark plugs out, they were completely black. I've cleaned all them and put them back in. I've had the intake manifold off because for some reason the engine was running cold. So I've had the intake manifold off. I've replaced the gasket in the process. There's the old one. Replaced the gasket so that I could get in underneath there to the engine temperature sensor. I've replaced that. I've replaced the engine temperature sensor, and I've also got, where are we? I've also got a new thermostat to fit, which sits just in there. That's a really quick, easy job, the thermostat. This lot was a pain. The air intake manifold was filthy. I've had the injectors off as well. I've checked all the injectors. They're all clean actually. They're all right. I've still got to put them back together and get the rail back on. But here's the throttle body. That was in a terrible state. All these little ports were blocked. And it was black and sooty in there. It was disgusting. So that's all been cleaned out. So hopefully, new engine temperature sensor, new thermostat, mechanical thermostat, clean spark plugs, clean intake, clean injectors, clean throttle body, and not that air idle valve, one of those other ones. We'll get that all put back together and see what happens. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, I'm very pleased to see that. The seal's blown on the thermostat, look. Can you see the black seal? That red stuff is my own sealant that I add. I need to add a little bit because if you look very closely on the housing there's actually a little nick, which doesn't leak, but it requires a bit of extra sealant when I put it all back together. But that main black seal there, look, that's blown completely. That would fully explain why it was running cool, never quite getting up to temperature. And certainly a major contributory factor as to why it was also running rich. Right, let's get the nice shiny new one in. I'm just about ready to turn it over and try and start it.